Until now, those struggling with a drug or alcohol addiction have had limited choices. You can either enter an inpatient treatment program that requires 30 to 90 days at a residential facility or travel for outpatient treatment. The problem is, many people that could benefit from addiction treatment don't have the ability to leave work, school, and family for an extended period to get help. Even with excellent health coverage, treatment can be expensive when you factor in co-pays, deductibles, and loss of wages from missing work. So, how does the Recover at Home program work? Recover at Home was carefully crafted to be an affordable solution that fits around your schedule. You decide what day and time you will meet with your assigned therapist. Each 50-minute session is easily conducted with either a smartphone, tablet, or computer. All you need is an internet connection, and you will be face-to-face with your own personal therapist. No different than what you would experience in an inpatient setting. So, is the Recover at Home program a good fit for everyone? Unfortunately, many people are not suited for treatment that is provided remotely at first. And that's why it's important that we evaluate your current condition and even your past history. To determine if Recover at Home is right for you, simply pick up the phone and have a confidential evaluation with a Recover at Home resource specialist. There is no cost or obligation, and it only takes a few minutes. If Recover at Home isn't right for you due to the serious state of your condition, you will be provided options that put your health and well-being first. These options will be explained to you by one of our inpatient treatment facilities within our network. Ultimately, the form of treatment that you select is up to you. So let's find out if Recover at Home is right for you. And if it is, you could be on the road to recovery in just a matter of hours. Pick up the phone. Make the call.